thumbnail frames you can get. Oh, these are thumbnail frames. No wonder, because I was like, how do people get these frames? So you don't have to always go here, but I didn't even know that they had thumbnail frames. So these are how some of the thumbnail frames look like. I don't like having thumbnail frames because it just messes up everything, to be honest. These are transitionings. What do you mean transitioning? Whiteboard. I guess the plugins. But does this even work with my software? Y'all hear that sound? That's my computer. I don't know why. It just gets hot quickly. I really don't know. Okay, let's purchase. Let's preview, actually. Let's see what... And that's it. That's a plugin. Okay. Let's see how much it is. $10. Yeah. No, thank you. And then it shows you. So that's how the plugin look like. Yeah, I don't want it. There's Place It. There's Filmora. Oh, they have a link to Filmora. So if you guys want Filmora, you only get 10% off for the first month, and then you're gonna pay regular one. I just got a one-time plugin. Final Cut Pro. This is not a promo, but Final Cut Pro. Then Place It, you get 30% off. Place It is a lot of things you could do on there. You could do a thumbnail, you could do an intro, you could do an outro. I think you can even edit on there, but you get 30% off. That's probably American money. There's Measure Studio. I don't know what this is. Social media data and okay. There's Liquid. What is Liquid? The music again. Affiliated Center. Quick Smart. Social advertising. What is this? Oh, Google Ads. Which video? Apparently, I'm not trusting this. Okay. Well, let's go back to this. What is Video Summit? Make YouTube business and virtual television. Okay. I don't know what they mean by that, but okay. What is... This is what I went to. This is search. What is search? Channel reviews. So if you want to get your channel review, it's all began in the industry for ensure that channels and videos optimized with the best. So if you want to get your channel review, there's an actual website. You get 60% off with it, but I'm not getting that. I don't need that. Collab Space. Introducing the fastest growing collaboration community for creators on YouTube and Instagram. Find new collabs and hire creative professionals to bring your ideas to life. Somebody was asking me about this. So like, they have a website. It's collabspace.co, or you can download it and you get 1 year free, but it's $10 a month. I'm not doing that. What is the intent? And then that's it. That's all I wanted to show y'all. If you use my affiliated link, apparently you get paid, but I haven't been getting paid. Look at this. It says 19 clicks. Okay, I haven't been getting paid. So there's gonna be affiliated link at the bottom, but I'm probably not even gonna get paid because they said you are, but okay. So let's see what video A/B testing is. So there's this. It says create tests and find out how for... So I think it's what I showed you. It tells you the different stuff of how your video did well or whatever. It says bulk processing. What is bulk processing? I'm not doing this. It says playlist, subscribe, and what. Oh, they're just end screen links. And then the COPA. So this right here, it says launch COPA Center. It will tell you. This is what I use, and I messed my thing because now whenever I post a video, automatically my thing is shut off. But I fixed it. I don't know if something's wrong. Y'all let me know if it happens to you or not. Go post a video and then you go check your comments are off. I don't know. I schedule my videos, but yeah. So the COPA thing, you know, whatever, it will search and tell you. I finally got it. I was trying to figure out how do you get it, whatever. So that's why I'm saying, if you're going to download TubeBuddy, download it on Google Chrome. Because if you download it on the other stuff like Safari or whatever, it just doesn't work. Safari, I have it on my Safari, just been messing up. It works when it wants to. But then I finally was able to download Google Chrome. Here it is. So you click whatever, COPA Center. It searches and tells you which video. For me, it's telling me about the... It's not made for kids. It's really not. Maybe because I was talking about kids, but it's not. But anyways, Let's click this. Now I have to go back and try to fix my thing because it's gonna mess me up, but whatever. It's gonna tell me every time I upload a video, your comments are off. I'm getting people messaging me, your comments are off. Thank you. Shout outs to the people who's been messaging me. You know who you are. I'm not saying the name because what if I forget to shout out a person and then someone's gonna come for me? You didn't shout me out or whatever I told you, okay? So shout outs to everybody, or the people I should say, who's been telling me that my comments have been off of my videos. Like every time I upload, I don't know why. But here it says comment. It shows you the comments, your comment section. I don't want to show you my comments, there's no point. So right here, as you can see, it says publish comments held for review and likely spam. You could do all that. And then it says best practice checkers. So it tells you your pinned comments and all that, as you can see. And then the video analytics. I never showed you guys this, but I'm gonna go and show you guys soon. And then it says website tools. This is the backup, the promo, my account, community. What is community? Community forum, Discord. We ain't doing that. Your comments. Okay, so let's go and see. I don't even remember the titles I was using. Oh my god. So okay, let's go with CEO for beginners, right? So this is in Google search. You see right here, it says video analytics. So you can compare. You could type in whatever channel, the most popular channel, and then your channel, and then you could put a specific video, but I ain't doing that. It tells you the summary, how many views right here. I'm gonna make a next clip because I don't want my thing to cut out on me. So hold on. Okay, I'm back. So it tells you the views right here off the bat. It says 838K, and then his comments are 896. How many likes he has, as you guys see, how many dislikes. The CEO score is 95%. It says creator suggested. So this means right here how many videos from your channel are being suggested. And then it says rank tags, your likes on Facebook, what is upvotes, and then it says mentions, and then it says channel analytics. We ain't doing that. Oh my gosh. Then it says channel view. So this is an overall channel view. So it says 7.91 million. His subscribers are 175K. He has 183 videos. And then it's already giving best practice. He got all the check marks, as you guys see here. Here are his tags. Those are his tags, and then you can copy it. It says copy to, and then you copy to clipboard, and then it says new tag list, and then you said none or whatever. Yeah, I think that's all I can tell you about TubeBuddy itself. So this is the thing right here that I was showing you. Go to my video and watch the page. Nope. So yeah, that's all about TubeBuddy. Sorry, I was trying to rank 100% for you, but it didn't work. But clearly he scored 95. So let's copy his title. Oh, I can't even copy his title because I reached my limit for today. So yeah, that's the one thing. That's the one thing I don't like about TubeBuddy. So his thing, it says see you for beginners, and then he has a colon, a basic search engine tutorial for higher Google ranking. That was the one that I saw before, but I just didn't click on it. Okay, but it's okay. Yeah. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It might be a part 2 because this video was hella long. 40 minutes it says I recorded. Yeah, this video is hella long. I have to keep stopping and recording again. So I really hope you guys enjoyed me showing you how to rank. I tried to get 100%, but I couldn't. I just wanted to show you the CEO, but then I was going to switch it up and go to another title, but then there's a limit. So yeah, let me know down in the comments what you guys think about this. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, do all that jazz, and I'll see you guys in the next video that I'm about to make right now. Alright, but the time I post it, it might not be, I don't know, but you'll see me in the next video. Alright, bye y'all.